I didn't really know what anxiety was until I went to comp. I just knew that I was scared a lot.
Lying to my friends always made me feel really guilty. I try to only do it once or twice a week, but yeah, I feel awful every time. It's not that I want to lie, just when I feel out of sync with everyone, like they're moving a little bit too fast for me. So when my mate asks, "Do you want to come out?" I do want to go, but then I start thinking over and over, what if there's people we meet that I don't know? What if no one talks to me? What if I say the wrong thing?
Everyone called me shy a lot when I was little. I wasn't the chattiest kid most of the time. When I went to primary, it felt like everyone knew how it worked except me. I was always on edge, like someone was coming up behind me, going to grab me. Sometimes, my mum had to come get me because I could not speak.
So I tell them I've got something else to do and stay home. The problem is, people think that something is making me worry. And it's like there is, and there isn't. It's not something you can fix. I'm just me.
Once people know that you're not the same as them, they can be nasty. In a way, I was sort of relieved because this is what my brain was telling me would happen. And at least I was right. I was weird, people didn't like me. I should stay as far away from them as possible.
Sometimes I find it easier to hang out online. I have friends in America who I've never met, but we can play games for hours. I get worried that my friends at home will think I don't want to hang out, but I find it easier to talk when I'm killing zombies.
It wasn't until I went to comp that someone explained the way the other kids were acting was bullying. I had never questioned it. It just seemed like what I deserved. When you're weird, you have to accept that people don't like you. I didn't realise that you can control the voice that tells you those things. Doing that made me realise that I didn't deserve to be treated like that.
I know that I talk too much when I feel anxious, and it can annoy people, but I hope that my friends will learn that if I can do things my own way, then I will get there.
I still get jolts in my stomach when I've said something stupid. There's still a voice in my head telling me that people will think I'm stupid now, or careless, or whatever. It's easier to ignore if I can talk about it, and if people will listen to me.